Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to type Indian languages at Windows like Word. Excel and Notepad, anywhere you want, type your native language. Use Google Input Tools in just 3 easy steps. First things first, let's start with the download process. You can download different languages using link in the description. Select your language preference and hit the download button, same as shown in this video. Let's move on to the installation process. Once the download is complete, extract the file and open up the folder. You found 2 files. One of the main installer input tools, and second one is language package. If you want another language, you just go to download language package previous website. No need to install every time input tools main file. Finally, let's get to the good stuff, how to use input tools. You'll notice a small icon in your taskbar. Click on it and select your preferred language. Now, whenever you want to type in that language, simply click on the icon and start typing away. In English, it's give you suitable word. You just select what word is correct and what your pronunciation. You can type anywhere in the windows like Excel, Notepad, web browser, and more. Just type in English. It's give you words at your selected language. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe channel for more videos.